Okay.
Another olive.
And what do we say?
Please.
Yes. Here you go. An olive for
You know
Timo.
why you say please, Timo? Because it's polite. Do you know what polite is?
Yes.
What is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. What is it?
Polite is when you're nice.
Yes. Polite is when you nice. I want another one.
Please.
Oops, Mummy hasn't had any. Should fade away.
Now to ice cream.